Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your web OS and model so you download compatible app versions. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network and keep the TV plugged in to avoid interruption. Once those are set, open the LG Content Store and sign into your LG account if prompted. This lets the system track purchased or installed apps. Now navigate to My Apps or the search field to locate the specific app you want to update and prepare to install updates. You now perform the core update. In LG Content Store, go to My Apps or search for the app and look for an update button. Select Update and watch the progress indicator. If update is missing, choose Reinstall or Uninstall, then Reinstall to force a fresh copy and clear corrupted files. Make sure you have at least a few hundred megabytes free storage. If the installer stalls, pause other downloads on your network. Once the install finishes, launch the app to verify functionality. You finish by restarting the TV to clear caches and let the updated app integrate with system services. This often resolves minor issues. If the app still misbehaves, clear the app cache or data in settings. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall again. Make sure web OS is up to date. Incompatible web OS can block app updates. As a final troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, note the model number and any error codes. Then contact LG support so they.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.